Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Got 8 more sheets of drywall, some copper, and alright, so here's where I'm at. I think the last video you've seen all this put in. It's still in the same place. I put some drywall up on the ceiling. I had forgot the other day. I was getting on the freeway. I was like, what am I forgetting? I feel like I'm forgetting something. Well, I forgot my camera. Started doing this plumbing, and that's what I'm going to continue with today, getting this plumbing so I could pressure test before I finish the drywall on the walls. I got these 8 more sheets sitting down the basement. So let's get started now. Alright folks, so I got my hot and my cold running over to the vanity. My hot and my cold are attached to the shutoff valves. I had to put an end cap fittings, and then tomorrow I'll bring enough copper I could cut that and bring it around the corner, attach it to the cement block sticking out with a shutoff valve on that. But I wanted to test this, so here we go. My shower work. Alright, my shower works. Let's go around the back and make sure that I don't have any drips anywhere on any of my joints or junctures. That would suck. Nothing over there, nothing here. That's wet from my rag dripping. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. So tomorrow I'll cut this off, clean it, and I'll continue it around the corner over by the toilet. There's the toilet hole. Alright folks, until tomorrow, thanks for watching Old School Customs. Please hit like, subscribe, watch another video. Hit the like button! Choo-choo!